we are gonna ride the Winter Haven Chain of Lakes. I've never done that before, so I'm excited for that. And we right now are at, I want to say, Lake Ship. So before this ride continues, of course, as always, please consider smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. I'm getting wet with a little bit of the sprinkle from that lake. That is how windy it is, but there's something special at this ramp. And for those of you guys that know when it's time to hit the water, what time is that? It's go time. All right, people, the skis are in the water and we are getting ready to go. We're grabbing a snack real quick, and again, it's gonna be my first time. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope the audio is okay because it's really windy. This is my first time here on the Winter Haven Chain of Lakes, so it should be fun. I don't know what lakes we're gonna hit, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and load the app. I believe it's called the Relive app. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's called the Relive app. I'm gonna load that up so you guys can follow along. You can check out the the route that we ride. And if you want to get out here on a less windy day, then come out here, enjoy it. It should be fun. It should be fun. So the boys are getting ready. There you go. You guys munching up, ready to go. All right, guys, look at that. I told you it's windy, and I was not kidding. I mean, look at this. So I'll do my best. I'll do my best to bring you guys along through this lens, try to not get wet. And what we're really hopefully looking to avoid is a rainstorm, because there's not many clouds out there right now, but I don't know, there's supposedly clouds coming from the east. I'm not a meteorologist, and even if I were, I'd probably get it wrong. So yeah, I mean, listen, the ramp is empty, so I guess people are not gonna want to ride in this weather. Anyway, talking too much, let's go. About to jump on the ski to the Chain of Lakes. To the next one, let's go. Guys, we are pulling into the very first lock here next to Harborside. My first time ever riding through a chain of lakes. So today's ride is a relaxing ride. It's one to bring you guys along to check out something different, something you've never seen on the channel before, riding through these locks. So here's the cool thing, right? As I'm going through the first one, this Winter Haven area is nothing but lakes, and a majority of them are connected through these locks, and not locks, but these canals rather. And it's really cool because it's just not something that you normally see. But anyway, yeah, see, that lake over there is connected to that lake over there through this canal right here. Oh, nice catch. Look at that. Hold it up for the camera. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. See, there's fish out here. There's fish out here. Don't let them fool you. All right, we're pulling out to the next lake. Catch y'all on the next one. Let's go. Folks, that was Lake something. I'll put it down in the comments because I have no idea where I'm at, but that was pretty cool. We just rode through another one. Now this canal is much shorter, so after this we'll hit another lake, and I think this one actually tells me the name of the lake, so we're about to find out. Bro, I'm gonna chop this up. Lake Eloise or Eloise, something like that. Lake Eloise, you guys tell me. Oh man, so I noticed two things. A, really nice backyard. B, really big cloud. And C, flag waving pretty strong. So hey, that way looks much better, so let's go that way. Let's go. now hitting up Lake Winterset. So that's the next one on the list. Lake Winterset. That's a nice little boat. I like it. All right. We are now exiting the canal, about to hit the lake. We're about to hit the choppiest water yet, I think. Holy moly. All right, I'm gonna have to put you guys down, and that's what the 360s are for, because oh my god, I'm gonna need them. Let's go. I'm getting wet. So where are we going? Oh, so we're gonna go back to the one we were at? Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, we're actually heading back. We're gonna hit up another lake. We're coming right back to the one that we just came into. We're coming back out that way, but it's caught a little bit of a rain cloud, so we're getting a light sprinkle. It should be okay. But we're gonna hug the coast of Lake Eloise, or Eloise, whatever. I don't know. We're gonna hug that one back up to the right. We're gonna go back this way. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. So we're gonna head back and we're gonna make a right. Let's go. Let's go. Hey guys, check this out. Seems to be some sort of arena for water activities, right? That looks pretty dope. If you guys are familiar with this place, let me know in the comments. What do you have out here? I'm assuming like water skiing, you know, ski jumping, probably a bunch of other stuff, but that looks pretty cool. Oh, that's part of Legoland? Yeah. Oh, gotcha. Okay guys, so there you go. That was actually part of Legoland, where they used to do the skiing tricks and, you know, ramp jumping and all that, but apparently it's closed, right?
I want to say about a year or so.
Okay, about a year or so. That sucks. That looks pretty cool. So that's Legoland? Okay, all right guys, we're by Legoland. So there you go. Cool. Starting to clear up a little bit. So yeah, starting to clear up. That's good news. Hopefully it stays that way. All right, cool. Oh snap. Hey, look at this. Our pirate friend right here has got some giveaways for the riders. Hey, if you guys know where we're at, what do we got in there? We got an Insta360 camera or what? We got a couple Sand Shark anchors, some Rhino straps, a couple rider coolers. Nice. All right, come get yours. Let's go. We are leaving the Legoland area and approaching the next canal. That is obviously going to put us into the next lake. So I'll let you know in a minute what lake this is, because again, I don't know. But so far, look at these skies. They've cleared up, which is awesome. Let's just hope it stays that way, because sun shine on the water. Nothing better. Nothing better. So, all right, let's catch up to the boys. Let's go. We've got Lake Summit. That's our next one. Oh no, I feel the wind picking up. Oh man, each lake has its own ecosystem. Come on, man. You're killing me, Smalls. What's that? Oh, gotcha, okay. Gotcha, okay. So we got some gentlemen out there fishing, and this is a smaller lake, so you know, we don't want to disturb them. We'll let them fish and we'll keep riding, right? All right, let's go. This is nice right here. This is pretty cool. This reminds me kind of a little bit of Monkey Island over on the Homosassa River. Not really, but you know, just it's pretty cool. All right, well, I guess we are not gonna check out Lake Summit, but we'll make our way to the next one. All right, guys, we are coming back to Lake Lulu. That's the lake that we came out of when we saw this beautiful backyard. Lake Lulu. So, we're gonna head back that way. And then we'll just keep riding, right? That's what we're doing today. Today we are just coasting, we're riding, we're enjoying this absolutely gorgeous day. It's beautiful, people. Now's a good time to remind you guys that if you have not smashed the like button, of course, please do that. Consider subscribing. I appreciate y'all. Look at it, he's trying to catch some dinner. Come on, man, you almost had him. You almost had him. All right, let's go, people. Let's ride, let's go. Lake Roy is on the menu next. Yeah, I don't think we've hit Lake Roy yet, so there we go. Tried a new one. So while I'm going through the canal, let me talk to people real quick. Life out on the water in Florida is so cool. There's so many different options, right? Sometimes people think, oh, when you live out on the water, it's near the beach. And you know me, love the beach. But this is also an option to live out here by these lakes where you can basically hit the water at any time you want. You're a lot further inland, so again, you can still get hit by hurricanes and storms, but this ain't salt water, and you're not going to catch it anywhere near the strength that you would on the coast. So I don't know, just an option. What do y'all think? You think this is something that you can see yourself doing, living out here on the chain of lakes? Drop it in the comments. Let me know. Let's go.